What's the deal? I usually try to come on here when there's 200, but I rushed it. It's like a $1.98 right now, I see. How's everyone doing? We are live. What's up, what's up, what's up? Can I do anything more oxymoronic, I guess? Or, no, what would the word be? Fucking, I got myself a drink, and there's nothing in this cup. It's there's something in here. It's Celsius, right? The energy drink. And then I was smoking some fire shit I got from LA. Just fire. And I don't know really. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know which one's working right now. This is tough. Damn. Both are shaking hands right now. I don't know. Shaking hands or not, but like, yeah, they cancel each other out, right? So I don't know how I'm feeling. I don't know if it was a waste of weed or if it was a waste of Celsius. It was a waste of something. Damn. No, this is that orange Celsius. Green in the house, what's the deal? Bowser Bougie. Yo, I got flagged. Shh, we're not gonna say that word. I got effed. We're not gonna say the F word. I got effed. They on to us. Yo, Bougie, how do you still have your... Yo, anyone here for 2 months? Where's Bowser? Bowser. Oh, no one's here for 2 months. That's the 1 month. No, that's not the 1 month. Hold on. Somebody had the teal. Oh, they just gave that to everybody. All right, I see. Yeah, remember yesterday I had the badges, and you know what happened? YouTube flagged me. They said my badges are inappropriate for YouTube. But they left that blue pineapple. They got rid of all the other colorful pineapples, but they left the blue pineapple. So I'm not sure what it really means. But I wanted to give everybody, like, you know, every level, every month you get your own color. This way you guys can tell who's been here how long by the color of the pineapple. Right? Just the fact that he's smoking a J doesn't really help. So I got the homie Spectral back in the lab, reworking things. Right? I gotta, yo, you know what? Spectral really deserves a mod, right? I think he's pretty deserving of a mod at this point with those pineapples. Hey, hold on, who's in here? Who's a member? Wix10 in the flex room. Nice. Flex with me, gang. It's good for you. Finally, I'm not lonely anymore. Hey, there was Sen Assassin. There's been Don and Dr. Dollar was in the flex room with you. It's 3 of yous, and now it's 4 of yous in the flex room. Wix10 in there. Yo, honestly, hold on. Mods? Everybody get ready. have banana. No, we haven't bananas. We have pineappled somebody. We've wrenched our we've wrenched Spectral. Welcome to the I was gonna say we bananaed him. Welcome to the club. The newest mod has been wrenched. Whoop whoop. There he is. I think Spectral deserves a mod for the pineapples. What's up, man? I finally get to see someone doing Asian streams again after years since the Who fam? We've been here for about 9 months. 9 months? Yeah, 8 months. So, welcome aboard. Drop a like, sub to the channel, and don't worry, we're about to get into a breakdown. Actually, let's do it right now. Let's see what's going on. WX10 though. Welcome to the Flex Room. Thank you, Paul. Daily. Ooh, look at this. So we closed below the overall and the most recent, right? On the daily. What are we gonna do? We're gonna look for a top wick here on the daily and a bearish flip to drive down. Maybe 2,000 areas that we were talking about yesterday. Even lower. Let's see what happens. 4 hour also closed bear, but this current 4 hour that closes in 45 minutes is got no sign of bear in it. Let's see. Yeah, we closed above the hourly range. That's what's going on. We've got to be very careful in this range. Let's see where we can get some sells, where we can get some buys. All right, so this is the hourly area, and I believe this is the same area on the 30, on the 15, and the 5, just because of how it's ranging here. I bet you. Oh, we saw it earlier. Hourly. Down to the 5, that area, but I think we have a level below here earlier. Yeah, we do. Okay. This level here too. I think. Let's see. Yeah, this would break the previous hourly. This would break the 4 hour level. Right, as we're coming down here. So this would break the 4 hour level here. See this 4 hour wick? We would break the hourly. Level, we would break everything here. Yeah, alright, we're gonna have sells below this area. Might be off the rip, might be not, depending on how we form here. And we have some really nice sells. Sells below. Closure. And we have some very nice sells below this area. High quality sells. High quality. Most likely below 2011.29 after a 5-minute range forms and a top wick on the higher time frame, and below 2007.95 off the rip if we get there. How many pips is this? roughly 50 pips so we can have some entries, and about 80 pips more entries. Probably London, down over there. Let's see where we can get some buys. See, I don't know what's working right now, chat. It's either the Celsius or it's the Cryptochrona kind of like. I don't know. What are we doing? Yes, I appreciate it. Anybody take those positions with us this morning? Oh, turn down the music. All right, let's do it. Let me turn down the music. Is better? No music? Here. I got it. I'll make it really quiet right now. Right there. It's good? Yeah? Thumbs up? Where's the Zoom? It's on YouTube. The link is posted on YouTube for the members. Perfect? Nice. Wow! I feel good. Woke up the neighbors. Wow! Yeah, we had really nice positions this morning. So we were down 26 yesterday, 26 pips yesterday, and 37 today. $75 pips. Yeah, because that 5-minute candle ran 100 pips this morning. The one we entered. Not even that 5-minute. I think that 15-minute. It's 3 5-minute candles in a row or something. Right here. Just fucking. Man, hold on. Where was my entry? My entry was 2027.57. 2027.57. Right here. This was my entry. That's it. This was the trade here this morning. That's it. Thank you to everybody in the Zoom for showing up. You guys are all on time. I saw the waiting room. Awesome. All right, where can we get some buys above? For buys, we need a range 2 breakout. Ideally. Up here. We might form one before that. Depend on how we drive up here and create a range in this area. Right? Depending on what we create in here. That's going to determine how we're going to take buys. Okay. Because if we end up just driving up here, right? And then we come down and we reject here and form a range, right? And all this. We have another range created. And then we'll form a range 2, and this way we'll look for some positions. Oh, sorry, wrong color. No, we might look for some positions coming up here. But if we don't form a resistance, like a decent resistance, it's going to be above here. Let's see. For now, the range is up here. This is our range 2 buys. You guys seen that? I just couldn't figure out for a second what template to put. That was the weed. The breakdown was the Celsius. But that little pause right there to put buys above closure R2BO, that's the Cryptochrona kind of like. I just caught myself for a second. I was like, I looked at it and I was like, wait a minute. Those are nice letters. Like, what are we doing here? Ooh, there you go. Welcome, Paul. Paul in the house. He's zonked. No, I'm not zonked. This fucking Celsius is getting to me. And then the weed is making my fucking heart just... I don't even know. No, I think we need to turn up the music a little, right? There's almost no music. We can't vibe out with no music. I'll try to talk louder. But for now, you guys can chill. Like, look, there's nothing happening. We're in this just garbage range. I'd love to really come into these areas at 2020, 2021, 22 and start heading down, because the daily flip and the break of the previous daily low, it's a very nice position. Where's the daily here? Just can't trade the daily off. If we can't scalp the daily here, right? Sometimes it all falls in line, but look at this. It's in the range. When the daily flips, you're mid-range. You could just flip, make a bottom wick, and continue driving up. Give itself a bottom wick. Ah! What did I do? Come back. Baby, come back. Alright, so that's the way the cookie crumbles at this moment. Alright.
Remember it. Write it down. Take a picture. I don't give a fuck.
So nice in here. It smells like straight ganja in this bit. Thank you, Paul. I'll take that as a compliment. Alright, let's get to the chat. How you been? Now I can pay attention to chat. OX, what are good investments with 50K? Yourself. Invest in yourself, right? Don't go pay some guru 50K. Don't go invest it in yourself. We'll get some education. Nah, that's the Celsius, my brother. Yeah, it is the Celsius. Karen, he don't want the mods there. Come here, fucking mosquito. Yeah, that was you biting me. I know it. He got away from me. Fucker. Star Wars or Star Trek? Neither. Not a fan. Wix, how do you save the cells below to just add instead of always writing it out? It's a template. Create a template. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, gang. Hold on. We'll come back to chat. Take it away right now. We're gonna take it away. You know, gang, before it used to be weird when we all danced at the same time on the table. But now you're weird if you don't dance, you know? How can you not dance to that? Weirdos. Yeah, it's crazy. It's weird if you ain't dancing. Or guys dancing is weird. Huh? I like to dance. That's my shit. We gonna smoke some pips? I don't know. The way it's looking, it's fucking ranging. But we might. The daily might flip and drive here this session.
The smoke got me. I got bronchitis.
What does R2BO mean? Range 2 breakout, which is the only way we can take a position against our daily bias. Yeah, hit the blunt. Out of breath with all that dancing for sure. Damn. Yo, Mike, stop staring at me, dog. And it's the eyes are scrolling up, so all I see is. That's crazy. Chad, who's here for the trades? For real. Who's here to giggle their motherfucking ass off? Oh, man. I'm here to shoplift pips. Ain't gonna lie. Lie in bed, high as fuck. Yeah. I hope you're not taking positions tonight. Hope you're just chilling in. Absolutely. We see a setup, we'll take it. Yes. Yes. Shoplifting pips, baby. That's all we do. I ain't take those pips, I swear. Baby, hide the pips. Hide the pips, baby. They in here. Hide your pips. Hide your wife. I want to be like you when I grow up. Hold on. How old are you? Be like you. You know why? Because then you could be better than me. Stop. You 30? Like a bad boys. How old are you? 16? Oh, fucker, you look 30. That's how I'm gonna be when somebody comes to pick up my daughter for a first date, any one of them. I'm coming to the door in a fucking full-on vest, some fucking samurai blade behind my shit, maybe even a little Zorro mask, and like I don't know, a 6 hour. Who are you? What are you doing here? I'm here to take your daughter out. What? Come for a ride. I'm 37, bro. So you grown. We both grown. You ever been with a man? You want it? Paul, stop that shit. People gonna take you seriously here, cause this is a serious stream, Paul. Right? And then you come up here trolling with all these jokes, Paul. Buy from 2000. People are gonna take you seriously, right? Come on, looks 10. Keep it serious. Cheers from Egypt. Cheers to you. Thank you for joining us. Awesome. First date will be with Wix, if there is to be a second date. Belgium. Nice. I guessed Belgium today on Worldle this morning, and I was wrong. What did it end up being? Like Poland, I think it was. When are you coming to Dubai? So I take you around, bro. I don't know, but it's dope to know that I got somebody to take me around in Dubai. I don't know anyone in Dubai. Now I know. When I go to Dubai, I'm gonna announce it, and then you'll reach out to me and be like, "Yo, hit me up," and I'll take your number down and I'll hit you up. So this, because I get, this is one of the reasons. This is like one of the perks of having a stream. It's like credit card perks, right? Like being an Amex member, you get a lot of perks. Well, having a stream, you get a lot of perks. One of those is the people that reach out to me, whom I don't know, who I've never heard of, but like, they say good things. They reach out to me. Thank you for like did this, that, whatever. I appreciate what you do. And like they're always like, yo, if you ever come down here, take my number. Or if you ever come down here, just tell me. So that's dope. And I've never took anyone up on it, because I stopped really going to many places, right? But because I'm like on a permanent vacation. I've been in a lot of places, and now I permanently vacation. But yeah, if I go to Dubai, I'll announce it, and it'll be dope. See, now you can't back out. Now everybody knows. Wix goes down there. He's gonna hit up Kiss Forex. Can't smoke weed in Dubai? Well, there goes that trip. It was fun while it lasted, though. We could always dream. Buzz Killer, sober only. Damn. I would only expect that comment from you, Buzz Killer. That boy walks around, no alcohol, sober only. Damn, Buzz Killer. You ain't lying. Shit. Can't even chew and spit out gum? What? What if I say I was juggling? I was juggling while it fell. I had chewed 3 pieces of gum. If anything. It's a new stunt. Go jetpacking in Dubai? Nah, I'm good on the floor, bro. I'm good on the floor. Oh, Wix 10, 11, and 12. The mini-me's that complete me. They're on a play date. Remember I told you? I wasn't just kidding about that bad boy shit. No. It's just because I just went through it with 5-year-old friends. I told him I know the tooth fairy, and if he does something wrong... Hello. What up, Abdul? What's the word on this fine Thursday evening? Well, that's the word. Not a what in Dubai? What? I don't even know what that is. Chat, I'm done with this fucking Celsius. This shit is no good. I could see sound right now. Where's he joining, bro? I just killed it. Are we flipping on the daily? Almost. We got 15 minutes, 18 minutes till the hourly close and till the 4-hour close. Let's see. That'd be key. If we can flip on the daily and drive down to there before the 4-hour close, that's a 40-50 pip drive, but let's see what happens. 18 minutes is a lot of time. Can you teach me to see sound? Yeah, go get a Celsius. What time frame? Every time frame. We went over the breakdown. 8:15. The breakdown started at 8:15. Rewind to 8:15. Watch it for 5-7 minutes and come back here. We have no trades for 5-7 minutes anyway because our next trade is going to be after the 4-hour close, if there is one at all. Right now we're ranging. And these aren't big ranges, right? A lot of indecision in this area. This could still flip bullish. We don't know. No top wick on this 5. Did I tell you somebody out here impersonating you on IG? Probably. I'm getting, yeah, there's fake accounts. If you see fake accounts, do your due diligence. Don't send nobody fucking money. And ever, and just block and report them. That's it. Oh shit! Hey Aaron, what's the deal?
Hey Aaron, where are you?
He's right here. Nas a Jay-Z. Jay-Z's got a better, bigger library, I guess, whatever it is. Portfolio, right? Jay-Z's portfolio, I think, is it's pretty unmatched. Hey, Aaron got his own button. How do you not let a trade mess up your psychology? In what sense? Like the loss yesterday? Well, the loss yesterday, like I said, was 26 pips. The win this morning was 37. Right? Yeah. So USD for your broker? No, I have no access to TD or my money, but Ted did put out some pretty decent information today, and I'm happy with what I'm hearing so far. Well, I'm not happy that I don't have access to my shit. I don't know. As happy as I can be, that's how happy I am. I'm pretty confident that I'm gonna get my money. We'll see what happens. Nas might be a better talent or like better to speak, but Jay-Z just his library, his albums, like he's for years, for decades, you know. Nas not really, but he's one of the best ever to do it. Absolutely. Hope so. Also have a waterfront house sitting in TD. Damn. Got whole neighborhoods over there. Nah, he wasn't talking about Nas X. He was talking about Nas. Nas, that's one of the greatest ever. But there you go. That's how you know Jay-Z is a little, you know, he's above Nas because people are confusing Nas with Nas X. You feel me? Yo, hold on, chat. I left my door open outside and a bunch of mosquitoes are flying in. I'm gonna get bit up. You're gonna see a bunch of lit mosquitoes flying around in here, crashing into walls after biting my ass. He posted on Telegram. Just don't spam. I'll get to your question. I try to get to everybody's question while I can. It's only 470 in here, right? Is this the pullback because of the loss yesterday? Is that what it is? All right, so 470 loyal ones. All right, I see you. It was our first loss in 3 months and 300 dip. It's the pullback, you know. What happened with the last fucking 3 months of winning? Yeah, I hate mosquitoes. I hate little insects that fly and anything that crawls at me sideways. Anything that does that shit? That's it. Are you annoyed with questions? Sometimes. Especially people that ask if I'm annoyed with questions. Love you, Damien. You're the best. Looks took this loss. No plans on leaving the stream. Yeah, why would you? It was the 5th loss of the year. We've lost 5 times in 5 months. Once a month. Pay rent. Oh, fuck. That's the Celsius. I fucked up. Seeing sound? No. Hearing colors. At this point. Or straight W. Feeling noise. Well, when you say that, it's like maybe you feel the bass. You feel on the bass. Yo, what's going on here? Are we gonna keep ranging? Somebody these trade ideas I played on London, play London to the W's and you just option. Yeah, a lot. The levels are still valid, right? Because what happens a lot if the Asian ranges, we never break out the levels that we marked up, would still be valid. Oh shit. Oh, if you're in the waiting room in the Zoom, you gotta let me know. I'll write it in YouTube because. Not really looking at the Zoom. Not looking at the Zoom. I only have 3 screens. There's only 3 screens. Big spider. No, the spiders. I let the spiders be for the most part, like especially if they're right outside the entrance. You know what I do? Like if they're blocking the entrance, I'll move the web over onto like a palm tree or a fence instead of like next to the entrance. But like the other end, I'll leave it where it is, just so I don't walk into it. But a lot of the times, the spiders are dope because they get all the mosquitoes that are trying to fly in. They get a lot of them with their web. So I'll leave the spiders alone. Unless they're fucking leaping at me. Then we got a problem. What's the score? What's the score in the Philly game? it halftime? Yeah, I think it's halftime. 50-43. All right. Knicks played a good game, yeah. Brunson had a really good game. So what happens here? They're going to go game 7? This is Philly's chance to close it out at home? I don't know. I don't think Boston's going to let them. I think the Celtics are going to disappoint Philly fans this year. And honestly, yo, I'm so upset right now. No, I'm lying. I'm not upset. I don't really care, but like, I felt bad because today CP3's out, right? Ayton is out now, and Ayton is out, I think, for the rest of the series. So, yo, Nikola Jokic. Like, did you guys see who's the center now for the Suns? You guys know him? No, me neither. That's what I'm saying. It's crazy. Oh, man. Oh, shit. Hold on. My bad. Yo, a whole bunch of people joined today, right? Who joined the clubhouse or Wix's table today, right? Or no, only one person. I'm bugging, right? Only Paul. Yo, Bruce Forex Trading. I'm sorry I missed you. Thank you for the 29 rupees, right? Is that rupees? I think so. Appreciate you. For real, for real. Wondering what you're able with? Thought you would like 28? No. Oh, damn, I missed a whole bunch of shit. Yes, Asian is typically a less volatile session, less volume. Buys about 2022.291. Well, to join if you promise we can't take. Promise no more less. You can't be doing this. You're gonna ruin yourself. You're gonna fucking ruin yourself emotionally. Can't be trading expecting no losses. Trolling. I know. There's some truth to every joke. Right? What would your advice on someone going through a struggle on trading? I don't have advice for you. I want to welcome you to the club. Welcome to the family. Give me a hug. It's gonna be a ride. Strap in. Rome wasn't built in a day, right? It's gonna be a long ride. It's gonna take you a long time to build yourself, build your strategy, build your psychology, build your risk management, build your account. It's a long road, but the goal is to enjoy the road, not the destination, right? Because at the end, you ain't gonna sit there and be like, oh, this is dope. You're gonna be like, damn, it was fun that we did that. Like, I remember doing this. I remember trading here. I remember trading there. I remember going through this drawdown, through this loss, through this win. I remember those tears. You're gonna be sitting in a house that you paid for with your Forex funds or with the success here and reminiscing about this. I mean, it's possible, right? Not all of you, right? But it's possible. That's the goal. First thing I'm buying is a new hairline. You can do that. I ain't gonna judge you. Shit. Why not? Daily about to flip. Almost. Yo, why are you gonna ask me for Zoom access and not show up? Where you at, bro? Oh. Shit. He asked me for access an hour ago. Imagine that. Don could have been here for the first hour. I didn't see his I didn't see his message. I'm gatekeeping Don from yous. Because I believe in the platform, Damon, and it took a long time, years. Way longer than it took Don, that's for sure. Way longer. But everybody's road is different, right? I mean, actually, I don't know why I say way longer. We've been trading realistically for the same amount of time. He's just... I don't know. I hope he joins. I don't know. I sent him the link. I just texted him. Let's see where he's at. I wrote to him, where you at? It's our session, gang. That's what we're doing. Wait. Since the beginning of this session, we've moved a total of 25 pips. Our range is 25 pips. That's crazy. Mwah, ha, 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 ha. This is what you get because of the morning's win. Demon range. Yeah, I know, I turned it off. You know, I realized that if it would have turned on, it wouldn't have worked because it was on a high pitched. It would have sounded weird. Demon range. Sorry. I don't know, Chad. I'm not a fucking producer. I'm fucking around with it. Y'all try ChatGPT for forex trading? No. Glenn's out. Worked out. Forgot where the wheelchair is. Can't sit down. Yeah, while Don's gone. Or while I'm gone. Which one? When I walk away? Or while Don's not here? Yo, Spectral, give him hands. Give him hands. Or something. Nice, nice. We're not gonna range forever, right? But we got a plan for when we do break out. Book's got his own mixtape somewhere. Or from like the 90s, probably. Sir Wicks a lot. Station session slow. Always, not always, like market cycles. You have to be here, not for a day, not for a week, not for a month, not even for a year, you know, not for a season, not for a year, but like a couple of years to see the market switching and bringing volume and volume leaving, and you know, once you see that, you kind of understand how shit works. You're more patient. Delete. Thanks for the response, man. Let's talk about funded accounts.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Check GJ for tonight. Looks very interesting.
How about no?
You got to realize when market starts ranging. You got to realize if it's ranging for days, if it's ranging for sessions, if it's ranging, because the market can cycle in such a way that it can range and you think it's ranging, but it only ranges for a specific session, or it's for a specific time frame every session, and you'll see it. Sometimes you'll get a move at 9:30 a few days in a row, and then for sessions you'll get a move at 11, right? And then for sessions it'll just range the entire session. Then maybe you can get a higher time frame that just ranges for weeks, and you have to realize where you are and which ranges you can take advantage of, and which ranges are not worth taking advantage of, and which ranges you have high probability setups. And when you see a few market cycles, where market cycle meaning where the volume switches up and the times of day when the volume comes switches up, and you're able to realize and adapt, and within every aspect of your trading, with risk management, with the ranges, with positions, you get used to seeing bigger moves, bigger stops, bigger spreads, smaller moves. You know how difference in taking advantage of a smaller move versus a bigger move versus, you know, higher time frame, small time. It's just all the nuances, but you want to see all of that through a few cycles to see how it switches up, and it starts clicking, but not trading. The trading doesn't start clicking. It's just one nuance of trading that starts clicking, right? So you're gonna have many aha moments. We've been talking about it for 3 years on Downstream. You know, you're gonna have, oh shit, I just realized this. Oh shit, I just realized. But remember, and not every realization is a be all end all, the holy grail of trading, right? You just realize something, boom, now you think you're all of a sudden going to be profitable. No, there are many aha moments, many realizations that you're gonna go through, and the key is knowing how to utilize them all together in unity to work. You know? Have you smoked a split on live before? How many years have you been trading? 4.5. I haven't been profitable for 4 years. Absolutely not. It's been a good 2 years. Losing, maybe like close to 2 years. Thing is, you know, between losing and then you slowly start to find consistency. And then you know you're winning, but you're in reality you're down, and you're trying to make everything. You're not trying to make it right, but you're really clawing your way out of a hole you dug yourself while learning, right? It's sort of like going to Harvard or NYU or wherever you're going and paying like $60,000 a year to go to a top-notch university, right? You got it's like a student loan. Everything you know, some people spend 4 or 5 doctors, 12 years in a school, right? Top of the line doctors at the top of their shit, you know, board certified. 10, 12 years in school. You spend roughly the amount of that time learning Forex. Well, roughly the time-wise, right, on the charts, roughly maybe like a 4-year university. So my 4 years, well, my first 2 years at the Forex University cost me a fucking stipend, you know. It's so funny how Don and I both had the same position yesterday. Except, well, he had it a little bit later. We had an entry and he had a buy stop that got activated. Yeah, I was down 6 figures when I first started. I know. Fuck. Damn, green got me again. Fuck. I had a better exit. Yeah. I don't know what happened. I didn't ask him why he held her, but we lost 26 pips, like in you know, relative to our entire position, that was nothing, and relative to, you know, our stream, our record, our what we've done all year, it was nothing. Wix jumps in early usually? No. There's no early or late. Sometimes my positions are later than Don's. It just depends on personal preference. You'll see me sometimes sit out of a position. So it's very rare, but sometimes Don will ask me, you know, no. It's very rare. But we mostly see the market the same, but very identical, but very similar. Identical. Very similar. Hey, yo, Han just dropped a new thumbnail. 10 straight wins. You ain't lying, boy. It's 4-hour close bullish. If we break the 4-hour now, break the 4-hour low, we're gonna have a 4-hour celery play here. I still wouldn't trust it within these wicks. He didn't say in a row, so he ain't lying. No, he said 10 straight wins. What do you want him to say? 10 crooked wins? So yeah, 6 figures is not a joke. Yeah, so you know, by the time you make that back, only then are you profitable. Until then, you're just consistent, but still not profitable. No, he ain't capping. On stream, it's 10 straight. Like, he's lost the signal, but on stream, it's 10 straight. W thumbnail, though. One thing I really respect Don for, he doesn't cap. He's very transparent. And we communicate a lot outside of this. He's pretty transparent. That's how, you know, I can show up every day confidently to his stream and support him. Been many streamers. I don't know any. I don't know. I know I've seen some Asian streamers, but I don't know any big streamers for Asian. Trading is my most profitable source of income. Said a couple of months back, you own an Airbnb. Is a good business to invest to diversify? And if you got the money, yes. Make sure it's in demand though, because I live in a place where Airbnbs are highly in demand. So I showed you guys, I don't remember on which stream, like my next 2-3 months, I maybe have like 2 open days in a couple of my properties, or in a couple of Airbnbs. So it's like, this is extremely in demand in Florida. Plus I'm a super host, right? So like, I get to, you know, people tend to take my crib over others. There was a guy named Paul. Oh, I remember Protein Paul. That's what they used to call him. I remember Protein Paul. I don't know where that name came from. Was that his real stream name, Protein Paul? Or Paul FX? What was it? I remember a Paul. I remember people talking about it. It was a long time ago. Trading with Paul. There it is. Yeah, that's what it was. Trading with Paul. Why did I say Protein Paul? I heard that somewhere. I swear. What happened to him? You ever had any incidents with Airbnb guests that you had to call 911? Yes. A few times. Yo, one time in Bandcamp, one time, like, because this shit says no partying, right? It's like, it's nice, and like you can't come in there and just fucking throw a wild ass party. So we get these the sound alarms, the noise alarms or whatever it is. It sends a message to me when there's like when the decibel levels are like higher than allowed, and it sits outside in the backyard. And then there's only 12 people in one house, or the one we went to, that house was, we only allow 8 people in there, right? And only 8 people are allowed to stay. And we have a Ring camera on the Airbnb, right? And you could see the driveway, and there was like 12 cars. So you can't tell me there's 8 people but 12 cars, and the fucking sound alarm's going off, right? And then there's this really nosy, I don't know if she's racist or not, but whatever, she's very nosy neighbor over there. I've told her many times that we do Airbnb, and she called us up. She's like, you got people running around, and I was like, gosh. So I called Airbnb. I was like, yo, what do I do? And they're like, call the police and we'll take care of the rest, whatever, you know. So cops came, escorted them out. I walk into the house, make sure everything's all right, nothing's destroyed. And, you know, things were dirty, but they weren't destroyed. Stains everywhere. And then as I'm picking some, you know, an ashtray up off the floor, under the curtain, a fucking snake crawls out. So I called the cops back. I was like, yo, there's a snake in the house. He goes to them and he's like, yo, any of you got a pet snake? They're like, nah, no, whatever. That ended. So it's probably like, because they had the doors open and all that shit, right? So maybe it crawled in from like from the outside, whatever. Not a big snake, but like, you know. So the cop was funny. He was like, yo, what do you mean a snake? I was like, a snake? So he goes in there, he looks at it, he's like, oh shit. He goes outside, calls his partner, he's like, yo, come check this out. They come inside, he's like, take a picture of it. And he takes a picture of the other cop with the snake, he looks at it, and then they look at each other, and he's like, good luck, and they walk away. I was like, what do you mean, you're not gonna help me? He's like, no, call animal control. I was like, what? He came in, took a picture with the snake, and dipped. He was like, what do you want me to do? I'm not touching a snake. Call animal control. And he just dipped. Like, that was the only thing he said. I was like, it's not poisonous? He looked at me and just... That shit was so funny though. Like at first I was pissed, right? But like afterwards, then when I think about it, and the few times that I've told the story, like it's funny to me. Like that's what the hell happened. I got a video of it. I got the snake on video before I called the cops in. Oh no, after they dipped, I got it on video. I was trying to get it out the house. I got it out the house with a fucking broom, and I made like a little thing for it to crawl against the wall, and then I opened the door, and then it crawled out. Cool story, bro. Do we have some volume? We're driving down. Finally, something happening. It was like a garden snake. You know what it did? It never left from against the wall. It literally crawled up against the wall up until it got to the exit. Thank you, John Abrams. I appreciate you. Lucky to have all of yous. Yo, chat, drop a like. I'm gonna drop a like too right now. This guy's stream is dope. I don't know who it is, but fire. It was just like a garden snake. It wasn't a fucking cobra. Or a python or whatever. Haley flip. Nice. We can't take, well, I can't take it here because for all I know, this could be a bottom wick also to come back up on the daily. For now, to make a steeper top wick, because is this really the top wick on the daily? Look at these top wicks here. It can be, but is it? I don't know. That's why we have sells below the previous daily low. Because on a smaller time frame, there's a lot of play here. Fucking mosquitoes. What'd you trade when you started? When you now started? I traded EJ, GJ, EU, AU, NU, FU, CAPU, everything U. Everything J. And gold. Three months, new to stream. Nice. Drop a like, sub to the channel, turn on your notifications. This way you know when we're on. Hi from Italy. Nice, me too. Hi from South Florida. Yeah, I don't know. I'll only trust this daily top wick if we break the previous daily low. For now, oh, there we go. We dropping volume. Just drove straight through, huh? We need a 5-minute range here, gang. And ideally below 2011, 290, not above it. So much for that range, huh? She said, wee, wee, wee. What's going on? What do we have? Got nothing. News? Nope. Just the daily flip. So we broke the previous daily low, I believe. Yeah. We have a nice top wick on the daily. I think pretty sure we're gonna continue heading down on the dailies. But I can't trade this until I form a 5-minute range here. Now that we got our volume, we also have direction here. As long as we form a 5-minute range and then break those lows, because we need a support and then we need a resistance to drive off of. Right? So ideally we do close below here. Right? And once we do that, I would like 5-minute range created. This. And ideally look for this. And positions right here. And if it forms with not enough range in this area to take advantage of, right? If this is too small when it forms, then you have to wait for closures below the range that's created. Because once you get this bullish candle forming here, this is your support. And now you need this bearish candle to close here. Below this area. And then you can take this off the rip down. Oh, good level we drew here, huh? What happens if you get a top wick before closing below? It depends how. No, before closing below off a flip. No, irrelevant of what happens, you still need a closure below. Always, always. Whether it's off the rip or you wait for a pullback, you always need this initial closure below, right? And then you react with your either if it's off the rip or with the pullback. But you need the market to show you something. Don't close below. There's no positions. Candle comes up here and starts flipping here, I'm not taking it. We're above support. Fuck this Celsius, yo. I feel so much better without that damn Celsius. I can hear sound again. Hey Wix, how do I see your Sunday stream? You gotta join Wix's table. And then you could hop on Zoom. And it's a free-for-all, right? Sunday's unfiltered. So you get to show your face, you get to talk. open mic. Yeah, people just bullshit. Last Sunday, everyone just kicked it. What was that, big ass candle? Big ass candle. Later, Daho or Daho. If you're wrong for saying that. Celery invalid because of support. Yeah, because we're above support. No celery here. What up, Goon? How do I get the Zoom link? You gotta join the clubhouse. And if you want the Sunday link or access to the Sunday session at all, stream, you gotta join Lux's table. That's the only way. Love the pineapples? Yeah. Well, YouTube took down the rest of them. But we're working on, Monday. By Monday, there should be new emojis. And new badges for the members. So W Spectral. You had a celery play here on the 4-hour, right? There. I think it was the daily flip. Right? Yeah, where the daily flipped. I don't know who's hungry. I don't know. Weird questions.
What a stupid question that is.
Sorry, David. I don't know. You probably got to do it from the desktop on YouTube. Racer Alec. It's too easy, Damon. You walked right into that. Oh, nothing about no option, no hunger or hungry right now. I'll give you a piece of advice though. Worry about yourself. Oh, you too, dude. You need to buy the membership to get access. Yes, statement everything. Yada 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 yada. I think the link should be on my channel. I don't know. If it's not there, then you probably got to do it on the desktop. We just pulled back here, 940 here. Hold on, let's see if this 5-minute can drive down. Let's see what happens. There's gonna be nothing off the rip. I'm telling you right now, nothing off the rip if we close down here, below here, 2011.29. What's the best trading advice you can give? It can be done. You can do it. Promise you. You can do it. Anyone can do it. Anyone can get this. Straight cheese. Off the rip, yes. No off the rip here. Nothing recalls well, no off the rip. I want to ask about self-doubt. Trading general, been profitable for a year now and still have doubt I'm going to fail. Why? You're profitable for a year. You just keep going. What do you mean? Get bigger. You got, as you go, you have to have more confidence, not more doubt. You're doing something wrong. Did you take a big loss earlier? Can't lie, do better. I don't know. I've given so much advice over the years. I don't know. Don't eat yellow snow, and don't look directly into the sun. Fuck you up. Okay, so for newbies, number one, if we're talking specifically trading, if you really want trading, number one rule of thumb: try to make sure all your time frames are in the same direction. Because as a newbie, you come in here, you learn this, you learn that, you learn wicks, candles, trend lines, fibs, fucking RSI. You learn a whole bunch of nonsense, but a whole bunch of good stuff along the way, right? That you need, and you can't differentiate between it. And you're working hard on figuring it out. But a great rule of thumb is make sure all your time frames are in the same direction, right? I think that was one of the first things I picked up from Ted. Trade against yourself. Make sure your time frames are all in one direction. After that, you'll figure it out, right? But put yourself initially at an advantage. Right, you're going to be learning stuff. Yeah, your time frames will align in the same direction. You'll still lose trades sometimes, right? But overall, you'll be at a more of an advantage when all your time frames will align. But while you're doing that, you're picking up on trading, on different nuances, on how to mark up a range, how to properly that you see it, and all the other fun stuff that comes with reading candles. What's the score? Oh, Philly got this 83-81. Oh no. They don't want to go back to Boston. They don't want to do it. 5 minutes left. That's a lot longer than I thought. That was like 3 minutes. Oof. Ooh. Yeah, he missed that. And B should have had that. Philly's going to win. They don't want to go back to Boston, I'm telling you. They're doing everything they can. They better look that one over. Possession. Shaking my head, they will? Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Philly's got the MVP this year. What team you support? I want the Knicks to win. I'm for the Knicks. We're down 3-2 right now to Miami. right. Tatum's a beast. Smart's fucking incredible. Jaylen Brown's a beast. They're a well-rounded team. Boston. Imagine you get a Boston Lakers final. Celtics Lakers. Historic. If that happens, Knicks still has no chance. Bruh.
I asked you, when the fuck did I ever ask you?
Huh? How you gonna tell me we got no chance? We got a chance. Got a fighter's chance. Everyone got a chance. We're down right now, though. I'm waiting on this hourly close. We got no choice here, chat. Oh, let's see. 15, 30 might flip and drive, right? But we still don't have a closure below here. By the time we get a closure below here, hourly's going to be closing. I think I'll stay here for a little bit. Too long, maybe 15, 20, 30 minutes. We'll see. Yeah, the 1 hour will close below here. If it does that, well, you need it. It will close below the most recent. For sure, will close. It needs to close. The hourly needs to close below here, below 2012.285. And then I wouldn't take the hourly flip. You can, but I would expect the top wick, and I'll still wait for the 5 minute to come down here. I'm still, yeah, the hourly come up, give you a top wick, and then once the 5 minute closes below here, I'll have positions. If the hourly has a top wick on the next hourly and we close below here, I'll probably be in off the rip. Now we're forming a range here, but I still want the top wick on the hourly, so on the next hourly. So you got to understand, the next hourly top wick might be part of this range here, right? All this is, the hourly's closing. In order for us to take a trade, the hourly must leave us a bottom wick. What does that mean? It's a pullback. A pullback and a wick is just a smaller time frame range. See this time frame, 5 minute time frame range? That's this bottom wick that the hourly's leaving, right? And if it's leaving this bottom wick, the higher time frame is going to give you a top wick as well, right? The next hourly. Once that gives you a top wick, that's your entire range on the 5 minute that you need to close below, right? You're going to get this top wick here. And this top wick is just, uh-oh, our song is here, but it's all right. It can wait. This top wick is just, candles driving from here. It would involve the bottom. This range would be the bottom of this and the top of this. That's the range. That's going to be a 5 minute range. You'll switch to the 5 minute and you'll see you're starting to form it. And I need the next hourly to actually pull back. Once you close below here and the next hourly already has a top wick right here, it's going to be off the rip. Wait, we have a 5 minute range created here, which is the bottom wick of this hourly, which we need to trade, right? We need the hourly to leave a range to know we have a range to go down, right? So we do have range to go down if this hourly closes with this bottom wick. There's going to be range to go down, wick to fill. But we still never closed above this level. And this isn't just support, this 2011 290. This is a level we try to drive down from once we close below. Closure's key. Like I said, the hourly needs to close below 2012.31. You guys don't give a shit what I'm saying. Yous are out there dancing, fucking break dancing in the living room. Ma, what are you doing? Shut up. What song's on? This would be nice if this candle or this bearish candle or the next bearish candle close below on the hourly and on the 5. We vibe and listen at the same time. Yo, holy shit, I haven't been watching for 5 minutes and it's still the same score. Harden for 3. Ah, scrub. Oh. Yo. And Tatum hits, right? It's fucking ridiculous. Beast hits that. The beard misses, Tatum hits. You just made a low. We going up from here? I don't know. Let's see. Once we close below here, see these top wicks? Chat. I know you see them. Right here, look on the hourly. Before we drive, it tends to come back to these areas. Right? Right there. So, see where the boxes are? We must close below 2011.29 and then come back to these boxes. Whose side you on? New York. Go New York, go New York, go. We need the hourly to close below here. If it respects this, we might end up calling it a session. It is closing below the most recent. We'll see. I'll stay for a bit. You guys catch a W this morning? Yeah, we got a nice W this morning. I think everyone closed roughly the same. Most people on stream closed somewhere between 30 and 50 pips. I had 37. Once I got the loss to last night, all good. Chicken. Chicken. good. The way the hourly's closing right now is good. We got 2 minutes. Dos. That is a nice candle. Ooh, we might get the hourly wick special here. Look, because the hourly closes below here, right? The hourly closes bullish, but below this area. Then the next candle comes up on the hourly, makes the top wick. That's your celery play. It's your wick special here. That was ugly. So last year we would take these off the rip here. This year we would wait for a closure on the 5. Well, not off the rip. Last year we would have waited for the top wick and then the break of the previous hourly low. And the reason it would work because the hourly level is here, not here. But we must respect this area on the hourly. We can close, oh, I mean on the 30, I'm sorry, I'm talking the hourly, on the 30. If we close on the 30 above that area, that's our hourly area as well. There. Then a top wick, and a flip on the hourly, and the 30 celery play, and the 5 closure below. And remember how I said a little while ago, with all time frames aligning would be a good rule of thumb? Well, that would work here. Four, 3, 2, 1. All right, so we closed here. So what we're most likely going to have here is a top wick on the hourly, and then a break. There you go, there's your top wick forming, and then a break of the previous 30 low. But you need an hourly top wick. Where did I show before? Right here to these areas, right? So ideally somewhere 2013 area. We get a top wick to 2013 or a 5-minute range to that area. Come back up here. Head down. Closure below will be an off the rip. What's your cutoff time? I'll stay a little bit longer right now. The way we're forming, I'll stay here. I want a top wick here on the hourly, right? We've already created a 5 range, but I really want a top wick. I want it to come back up. There. NZD. Nice. Volume. Maybe it'll drive us. I'm not off the rip here, gang, because I don't believe that this is a top wick for the hourly. We might just make a bottom wick and flip up. So nothing off the rip here until we come up to 2013 and then start closing back below. No way is there 35-second delay. No way. 3 seconds. Yeah, 3 seconds sounds about right. Six-second delay. Maybe the zoom will benefit you. Or probably does already. Oh, Dustin, let me know you're in the waiting room. We'll let you in sooner. Give me a second, chat. Always plug. Yeah, drop the link. Chat, last session for Devious for the week. Tomorrow morning, 6:30 a.m. Eastern. Kieran dropped it. That's Green's job. You stepping on toes right now. It took too long, I hear it. Yeah, 6:30 a.m. Eastern, Donvo stream. Go over there, sub to his channel. Should be a great stream to end the week off. Send us into the weekend. Secret shopper. Did we hit 2013? 12.861. That's what we hit. We just need it's a good level here. We hit 22. I think we might end up driving once we break that 30 low, but 30 close below also. How long do we have? Yeah, let's see if we can close here in 2 minutes. We'll have positions off the repiece. You get a thank you. Thank you for subbing, Troy. Appreciate you. Steve Berwick. Steve Berwick. Justice watch. You got to take the ice out of Justice. Thank you, Karen. Karen got that. Whatever, everybody said. Because the closure will indicate volume. Right now there's no volume. Hence, we have no closure. Once we get a closure, that's going to be indication of volume. No CP3, no Aiton. Okay. Booker and KD need to score 50 each tonight to win. Hold on. So who won? The game ended? Yo. Series tied. The Celtics took it. 90. Damn. Yo. Green. See you game 7. Show us, but what? I ain't showing you nothing. What? Coming down here, chat. Oh, it's a brand new candle. This might just drive. Any levels here? Third vantage point. Around 15. 14, 15. I'll be looking to go break even. Tatum pop in the final minutes. Yeah, I'm sure. Boy's clutch. What up, shakalaka? Spread 2. Average spread is 2. I'll leave a voicemail. Ninja Crypto. Where do you want the next closure? It's on the screen. Sir, please sell. You sell. Why are you standing over my shoulder and telling me to sell? Yo, go back to your computer, bro, and sell. You ever be playing chess and somebody on top of you would be like, nah, you gotta go that way. Like, or you be drawing, just being all artistic and shit, and somebody tells you you're drawing wrong. Like, this is my style. It's what I do. Call it. It's not there. I wait 2 hours. You no give me sell signal. Okay. Sell. Why you wait 2 hours and I don't give you a signal? You keep waiting. Maybe the next 5. In the words of a very wise man, maybe the next 5. Hey, cool, man. You gotta be up for Dawn stream at 7. Yeah, or else you're fired. Better be there at 7, bro. Take attendance like a classroom. Fuck the next 5. Nav needs it. Bro, I feel your pain, Nav. But we have to be logical, not emotional. And you just woke up at 6 a.m. and you're being all emotional, and logic is out the window for you. And I feel your pain. I think everyone at some point has been there, but this ain't it. Power of Nav has trapped you. Whether Nav's a troll or not, I still love him. You're awesome, Nav. I can hear you in my head. Anybody else read that with an accent? Honestly. Be honest. Stops will be the previous 5 range above here. We gotta close below first. You know it ain't a stream until we flip the tape a couple times. Check if my kids are home. Yes, they are. Hey, Miss Jet. How was it? You have fun? Alright, you look tired. You're out, you are? Go, get ready for bed. My impersonation of the last 30 minutes. Yo, that's a good one, Jonathan. 3 times will be a record, and yeah, 3 flips will be a record. That's a really funny one, bro. Maybe the next 5, chat. No, I have no sell stops. I'm waiting for the 5 to close below. Combo stream, we wait for top wick. Wick stream, we wait for next 5. No, we wait the same way. We just have a top wick here. Was it the top wick? Ideally, it's not. Ideally, we come back up higher on the hour. Hey, what's up? Strong. Good job. Don't ever give a weaker high 5 than that. Left wick's hanging? No. Dip. This 5's gonna be the one. Maybe this 5. Hold on, let me close the door to my office because they ran in here like a hurricane and ran out. Hurricane mini wicks. Little. I really want us to close below the wick here. Oh, the 30 only has 7 minutes. Hopefully it's the next 5, not this 5. Hopefully the next 5 closes below. Wait, got 2 minutes here. We'll be like, you guys are funny. Thanks for the knowledge, Wix. The sideways surf is intense for real. Built character. No matter what happens after the position, you know you waited for your position, right? Or you waited for my position. Whatever. We waited for our position. Yeah, DM me on Discord, Ryan. People send me stuff all the time. Let's look at the 1 minute here. 1 minute's closing. 5 minutes closing. Do you trade off the stream at the time of day? Sometimes, yeah. When I see my moves. You typically, after New York session and maybe after the New York stream, I look at the charts maybe till like 11. I don't look at them the whole time. I check them every half hour when I expect something to happen. Yeah, well, maybe the next 5 minutes, chat. .30 closes here in 3 minutes. Ranged hard here before. This is probably the one.
How about no?
Sometimes a candle got a range, you know what I mean? I think this is this the latest I've sat in a stream with no position? I mean, we've had longer streams, but the reason we had longer streams was because we were in a position, right? But I think this is the longest stream waiting for a position here. We had 3-hour streams, or two, like 240, 250, but always when there was a position this late, and that's why we were on. This shit's just been excruciating right now. Chill. Should have went pee when I had the chance. Go now. You got time. Weekly stream? No, every day. We are here every day. Monday through Thursday, 8 p.m. Eastern. Do not be here. Yo, what the fuck is going on over here? Hold on. Why are you off? Like, why is this not seen? Huh. Gotta fuck around with that. Can't really see the time, huh? Or the date. ED? What the hell is ED? Right? It's EDT. Yeah. Fix that. Alright, so the 30 closed. And we got the WAP on the 30. WAP on the 30. Never broke the lows. No celery play on the 30. The hourly flipped, but didn't drive. We still need closures below. So the 30 now has a top wick. It's filling the previous wick. Can it hold? The hourly's coming down. Let's see. This isn't bad. First 30 minutes of this candle create a top wick on the hourly range. If it might run here, Chad, but we need to close. 4 minutes left, right? But I'm not gonna enter until this closes. Vantage point here. Three minutes, we're below our level. Yeah, it might run. I don't have a position here, chat. Volume coming in, huh? Breaking the previous hourly low. It just might drop. I'm just not in here. The hourly's never closed below here. Might drop and you have to be okay with it. If it drives, it drives. Right, there's 2.5 minutes here. It's a long time. It could fill the range within 2 minutes and might range. Might come back up, close above. right? Who has FOMO? Unfomo yourself. It's alright. Oh, there it goes. You can. Oh, there goes 10 pips it drove. Break of the lows. Let's see how it closes, chat. Will it fill the whole range? It does. I'm cool with no trade. I mean, it sucks. I know. You guys waited, but didn't close for us. Look at this range. I want a closure. I don't want it to just pull back up, right? And close back in range and have this be the liquidity grab to drive up, right? I'd rather be safe here. 30 seconds. Let's see how we close. If it pulls back, I might have a position, but right now this shit's looking steep. The way it's looking, we want a top wick. Where are we closing here? I'm not off the rip here, chat. See if we get a top wick. I want a steeper top wick. This isn't. It might just drive it. A lot of volume here, but hold on a second, chat. Oh, there goes the 5. Break of the lows. There it goes, chat. It's gonna drive without us. Yeah. Oh, good. You gotta understand, chat. Things have to align the way we want them. Yeah, it's a late stream for us, huh? What's the deal, Dollar? Appreciate you. Appreciate the $20. Thank you for joining us. Join us this morning. Nice W's. Yeah, I mean, you had every indication it's going to drive down, but I'm going to take it the way I take it. Right. Got in off the rip. www.offtherip.com. Still a W because the concept is right? Yeah. I mean, you guys can take it however you want. Morning was great, right? I'm not hungry, not starving, right? We're all slowly making our way out of poverty. And it's that time again. 2 flips. There you go. There you go. That's 2 flips of the tape today. Fuck being poor. Word.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
What did that give you? What did that 5 give you? 11. Hey, you could have probably went like even or secured something. Knew that drop was coming. Yeah. Nice. All you have to figure out now is how you could have taken advantage of it. This was bullish on the entry then? Not right now. If the 15 can pull back, 6 minutes. Let's see. Lady Nexus. Took a B, we move. Solid play, solid risk management. How great was our risk management yesterday? Kept that at 26 this morning. More than made up for it. One at the top, look on this candle. Alright, this closed doji, huh? On the 5. Levels here. 9.94. I mean, I'll roll through this hour views, but these levels are valid. Ideally, we can come back, close above 2011.29 on the 5. And I say that ideally because a lot of this range has been filled, and if we can do that, if we can come up above there, we can look for a fake out to come back down, retest the lows that it just made for this move, and if that happens, we'll end up looking something like this. Oh, whoops, wrong color. What am I doing? Nobody stop me. Yeah, this will be good. If we end up coming up above here and coming back below 2011.29, I will look for off the rip sells right here. Ideally, this will be a retest of the lows here. And this is the candle that we want to be a part of. Lost the money done for the day. Someone entered there and they are now in some, well, let's see, can we, like I said, is this the drive down or is this just liquidity grab to drive up? You know, is it your unicorn urine or is it liquidity grab? Is it magical? See if we can close above here and then close back below. You know, looking at the re-break of the lows here, but really want to entry somewhere here, not here. A nice hourly close here as well, right? 5 above, 5 above, 5 above. All right, P2 off the rip. Yes. For now. For now. $0. Appreciate you. So, yeah, I love these little emotes. It's crazy. Off the rip. Now? No. Ain't off the rip and nothing. Break even at 2011.50. Hope you win. What is this supposed to be? It's a pineapple with a... I don't know. YouTube marked me for this. Alright, so chat now. Technically. $11.05, yeah. Imagine. Technically, you formed a support here, right? So hold on, let me clear everything. Whoa. What the fuck that is? Scared me. It almost looked like indicators. I almost had a heart attack. PTSD, PTSD in full effect. No, they told me for having we had the badges and the emotes, and they told me they didn't ban me, they warned me. And they got rid of them. Right? Alright, hold on, let's see this. So we have a level here. The hourly's closing, alright? We found the support on the 5. Let's see. This is a drive up. There's a support here on the 5 over here. How much is this range? 16, and then overall range is damn near 90, 80. Alright, yeah, we tend to drive through this range. Let's see if we can close back below. How much time we got? 15 on the hourly. I think we're still good here. Let's see the hourly. By the hourly's end, we can. So this is a long 3 minutes. We might fill this range down. We might close below, and then fill it down by the hourly's end, or we might just flip up. Ideally, we fill everything down, and this holds for the next 2.5 minutes. If it does, and we get a closure below this area, 2009.849, we will look for sells. Flip, reflip. Bluetooth. Ooh. Will it be off the rip? Yeah, most likely. Looking like it. We're gonna have 10 minutes till the hourly close at that point, right? So it's gonna be 10:50. No, I'm gonna want the 5 to make a top wick, because otherwise it might just make a bottom wick and head up to pull up for the hourly, right? So I'm gonna wait for the top wick on the next candle. Typically, middle of the hour, right? We're driving. I would take that off the rip once we made a range, but because we're expecting the hourly to leave a bottom wick, correct? This range, we might just end up making bottom wick. So we take it off the rip and make a bottom wick, and then it comes up. Leave the range for the hourly. Leave the bottom wick for the hourly. So I don't want that to happen. I want us to fill this. In order for us to fill it by the hourly's end, I'm going to want a top wick here in 30 seconds. Might not do it. Might just drive straight through. We're in the middle of this 15-minute candle. Might not close below at all. Well, let's see. It's going to be last second. This is why you wait for closures, chat. Give it a sec. We didn't get a closure below. Nope. Yeah, drop a like. Sub to the channel. Let him sub. Really good vibe. God bless. Thank you, Cole. See you later. Appreciate you. In the words of our dear friend, maybe the next 5. But ideally not. This is the hourly close, chat. So you're going to see a pullback on the next hourly candle. If it is to drive, and I think it is to drive. Let's see. This is an hourly level as well. We want an hourly closure below here. Remember, emotes, you guys are gonna have them Monday. Like, we're working on them. YouTube called me into the HR office and said, hey, you can't do that. Yeah, I got called up to the HR. It's like getting called up to the principal's office. Yeah, that's for me, right? But what about everyone else? Longest stream ever. Let's go. No positions. What's the hourly looking like? Good evening from Halifax. What up? What up? What up? What's the deal? Thank you for joining us. It is our longest stream ever. I'm in buy for pullback. Got do trend. Right there, read that? Correct? Got do trend. 5 of the hourly. What we don't want, chat, is this. Look at that. Just come down here, tap, and straight up, right? No bueno. For the hourly close below here than a fake out on the next hour. I'm looking for the hourly close. This might fill by the hourly's end, but I just don't want the hourly to pull back here. I want to make sure it closes below here. And if it does, I'm cool with it. Like, it's got to be like the way. Whoa, you see, that's why you're not off the rip here. Although, if it flips, it's drive. It's grabbing liquidity where it hasn't grabbed before. But then we look at this, the hourly, and the hourly might pull back all the way to 2011 here, right? 2012. So that's why we're not off the rip. Yes, room buys too. What? There's no positions here. You're having the hourly close here, chat, and a top wick on the next hourly. We'll do you guys good. We can. Realistically. Just stream till New York? No, here's the thing. You got to show up to the charts with a clear head, right? Thinking straight, not be impulsive. Morgan Stanley offers you a contract to trade with their money and get 22% profit. Would you contemplate? It's like, you know, if Elon Musk walks in through your door tomorrow and asks you, you know, to be the face of Tesla. So it's like, sure, but it'll never happen. They want to give me billions. I'll take 1%. Uses the way you read that hourly finish, man. Incredible. Gotta learn how to read the candles like you. Yes, sir. Yeah, we would have gotten smacked here if you entered. The hourly is closing really nicely. Like, this is solid. We drive. Below here, the hourly drives. Like, really below here, the hourly drives. You want the hourly close below 2010.3. 2010.38. That's where you want the hourly close below. Oh, that was the 30. I'm sorry. Yeah, right here. 2010.52, 2010.3, basically the same area. This range is clear. It's from 2009 5 to 2007 9. It just doesn't stop here at all. It just drives through every time. All right, Chad, you had the hourly close here. Teased the hell out of us. I think we're gonna call it. Yeah, this isn't it. Let me see. The hourly doesn't have a top wick here. We're just making a bottom wick to flip up right now. Be the slowdown for pre-London? Yeah, I think so. We break this. You want the hourly top wick here, and then you want it to come down close below this area. So range formed. Let's see. My daughter just walked in here like, you're still on. Like, you still not sleeping? She's like, this is the longest stream ever. Oh yeah, she's right. I think I'm gonna go to the kids. This has been wearing, right? This has worn us out. We've ranged the entire session, and 2 drives, we got nothing, and I'm cool with it. It's all right. We got a nice W this morning. Tomorrow's our last stream of the week for the Asian session. We'll be back Monday, 8 p.m. Eastern, live here on YouTube. And for anyone at Wix's Table, where we join Wix's Table, the Sunday Unfiltered will be live 8 p.m. Eastern on Sunday. It'll be on YouTube as well, but it'll be private on YouTube until it ends, and then it'll be public. Yeah, this is our longest stream. Imagine that, longest stream, no positions, all good. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a stream here. Excuse me. Hey, Joe Nacho. 420. The 420 guy. He always donates €4 and 20 euros. What are the pennies in Europe called? What are they called? What's the euro penny? Oh, I was... No way. XAU dollar. It's a 420 donation day. I just closed below now. Found the seconds. Alright, last one. This 5 don't close below. I'm out. We don't close below 2009, 457 right now in this 5. I'm out. How much time? Oh, we got 20 seconds. I'm out in 20 seconds. Hey. Appreciate you, Don. Thank you for coming through. Green, all the mods, everyone in the clubhouse, everyone sitting at Wix's table. Move over. We have more people coming in. The 4 people in the flex room. Phoenix down 15. They ask gonna get eliminated today. 17. That's terrible. Sucks. CP3 not playing. 8 not playing. Ooh, fucking Booker is incredible. It's fucking crazy. Alright, gang. Chat, thank you so much for coming through. All 750 of you. 400 likes. God damn, that's beautiful. Drop a like, sub to the channel. Be here Monday, 8 p.m. Eastern. We'll be back live Sundays Unfiltered. Lost my train of thought for a second. Sunday Unfiltered, 8 p.m. Eastern on Sunday. And tomorrow, last devious stream of the week. Be there, 6:30 a.m. Eastern on Don Vo's YouTube channel. I'll be there as well. Thank you, Green, for dropping the link. And I will see you guys here on Monday for the rest of Devious. I'll see you tomorrow. Alright? It's been fun. We laughed. We cried. We told jokes. We had some funny stories. We held hands. We was in the gym together. Alright? Alright, gang. That's our session. Love and wisdom to you all. And just like that, we are out. Wrong buttons, goddammit. Good night, everybody.